Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you're all doing great. So, today's topic is how to upload a file in a Google Drive shared folder using a phone. Alright? So, let's quickly start our video. We first need to open Google Drive. Alright? After opening, look here. Next to the plus it says new. You need to click on it. After clicking, see the first option is folder. You need to click on it. After clicking, see here, you will need to give a name to the folder. It's your choice what name you want to give to the folder. So here, I am opening a folder, looking at a subheading. Alright, so see, I will click on the create option here. So see, our folder is ready. Alright, we can add any app inside it. Okay, so I'm uploading something into it. So I am inserting a video into it. Okay, look, I am uploading a video into it. And look, a video is being uploaded inside our folder. So doing it like this inside the folder, you can share the video using the phone. Okay, if you all liked our video, then please like and subscribe to the channel.